Hey, it's Disintegrator, welcome back. So this is the JX-3P, completely upgraded now. It even has its new upgraded stickers from Kiwi-Technics. That makes it a pretty cool looking synth. As you can see, it's been really reconditioned. Looks very nice, and anybody looking at it from the audience point of view will see the Kiwi-3P logo and the upgraded emblazonment. So all this is great. So what are we going to do now? Well, I've had some people say, how come I don't get an audio demo? That wasn't really my intention when I started this YouTube channel, to do audio demos, but why not? Okay, so we have here 2 preset banks and then 2 memory banks, and as you know, the 3P actually gives you even more banks beyond that. But in its stock state, when you re-upgrade it and then you get it upgraded and you clear the memory, you are going to get a replica of the original banks, only in Kiwi-3P mode. So, without any further ado, let's get on with it. I apologize, it's only going to be in mono, but then given the limitations of my camera, I'm not really sure that's going to be a problem anyway. I think the important thing here is for you to be able to hear the synth now. Okay. First of all, I'm going to try and avoid playing anything I know in top 40 music from the last 30 years because, you know, YouTube and their rules. Secondly, I am not going to try and go to town and create anything really super cool. I'm just going to play some stuff to illustrate the sounds. Disclaimers out of the way, let's start. We're starting at the very beginning. It's a patch called A1, which is string 1. Ready? Here we go. String 2. Organ 1. Organ 2. Organ 3. Kind of church sounding. Brass 1. Brass 2. Really wows in there, this one. Electric piano 1. Electric piano 2. It's got some chorus on it. Clav. Harpsichord. Okay, vibraphone. Chime. Celesta. Accordion. And if you're going to do accordion, you got to play a polka, right? Okay, enough of that. Voice. Okay, now we're going over to the B bank. Violin. Flute. Oboe. Song whistle. Synth brass. Synth brass 2. You can finish that one up yourself. That's distortion guitar. Well, 1982 version of distortion guitar. We all know what the modern version sounds like. Juicy funk. Filter flow. That's a nice one. I myself would put a longer release on that one if I was programming it. Fat fifth. Doesn't sound quite like a fifth to me. Anyway, cinque-wah. Get the idea? Sync sweep. I'm tempted to play something kind of Cars-like, but not going to do it. Okay. Funky clav. One of the coolest ones on the 3P, Pulsar. Die away. Planet. We're almost done. Okay, and the last one, of course, jet. Now that's just 32 patches. This machine is capable of so much more now because of its extensive programming capabilities. Now you can get to them using menu buttons and whatnot, but in the future we're going to be showing you something here that's currently under development, and a piece of software that lets you get in there and edit the whole thing and lets you run it as a VST. So yeah, cool. That's coming in the future. Sorry to tease you guys after giving you this, but I got to keep teasing you, otherwise you wouldn't come back. So here we go, the JX3P Kiwi Technics Kiwi-3P upgrade complete.